So here we have some anti-fog gentle cleaning added fog protection wipes. So they're for your glasses, of course. So if you have glasses or you know somebody who wears glasses, this anti-fog wipe is really recommended for them because if your glasses get foggy like mine does, like I can clean mine all day long, but they still end up looking foggy. I'm like, I swear I just cleaned my glasses. But they still get pretty foggy even though I cleaned them. Usually, especially like when it rains or something like that. Now, I have a scratch on my glasses. I don't know if you could see it, but I don't know if you could see it, but on this lens right here, I do have a big old scratch on this lens, but it's not on this one. It's just dirty. But there's a big old scratch literally on this lens right here, on the left one, well, my left. And I don't know how it got there. I don't know if me and my dog were playing and she accidentally scratched it with her paw, or I don't know if I had laid them down wrong and they scratched on the surface. Like, I don't know, because it's not on the right lens. Like, this lens is not on this one. This lens is just dirty. So this is the right one. This one is just dirty. So it's just on this one, but it's not on the inside, it's on the outside. So like right now I could take my finger and I could rub and I could feel the scratch. So that's how I know, okay, yeah, I need some new glasses eventually. But these anti-fog wipes are great because, as you can see, like the normal lens here and the fog there, so it'll help with the fog, because sometimes sometimes I do see foggy stuff, guys. Like, no, my vision is not the best. So that's why I gotta wear glasses. And then even with my glasses, my vision is still not even that great either, depending on what I'm looking at. So, hey, it is what it is. But I feel like it's worse without my glasses. Like I feel like it's worse without my glasses, especially if I'm trying to read small print. So that's why, like, if I'm doing YouTube or other apps, I make the text larger, like when it comes to my bio and everything, because I can't read small print and I would not like to strain my eyes trying to read it. So that's why I make my font so big, because I had people be like, why is your font so big? Well, that's why. Because I strain my eyes a lot by reading small print. But anti-fog wipes are really, really, really good. They're smear free. They're smear free. Yeah, so basically everything right here. No scratch, smear free. Fast drying. That's what I like about these two. These are fast drying. So like when you get the white, I'm not gonna open one up, but I'm gonna show you. So here's what they look like. It's not 40 in here now because I have used some, but when you get the white, and I'm not gonna open them, but when you get the white, here's what it looks like. It comes with two together, and you get two, because it's 40, so it's two together like this. And you could peel one off and use one now, or you could put one in your pocket for later. You could put one in your purse for later, or you could just store it back in the box. When I use these, I usually use one now, and I use one and then I'll put one in my pocket or my purse. So that way, if I'm out and about, I'll have an extra one versus me taking the whole box. But yes, here's what it looks like. It comes with 2 packs together, which makes sense because I'm like, wait, 40? So there's not even like 40 in here anymore. So if you count it by twos, so this is how much is in here. So basically, if you count them by twos, because it's 2 in a pack, so 2, 4, 6, you know what I'm trying to say. So basically, if you count them by two, sorry, I dropped them. Basically, if you're counting them by twos, that's how it is ended up. That's how it ended up with 40, Hold on, let me pick these up and we'll be back. We're back. So I had picked them up on the floor because if not, my dog would try to get it and tear up the paper, because that had happened before where I had dropped one of these on the floor and I didn't pick it up fast enough. And then by the time I came back to get it, she had already got it and tore up the paper. So that's why I was like, let me go ahead and pause and pick these up. Luckily, I didn't even drop that many, so that's the good sign. But yeah, so if you know, and then here's, like, I'm not gonna go in depth on the back, but here's everything on the back, like, that you need to know about them. Like, I haven't even read the back like that clear, but here's it comes with everything on the back that you need to know. You can get these at any store basically. I seen them at Walmart. They have these at Walmart, I think Kroger, Publix, Dollar Tree, maybe Dollar General, basically any store. But I know for sure you can get these from Walmart because I have seen these at Walmart. They got two different kinds. They got the anti-fog wipes, the fog protection, and they got the lens wipes. So the lens wipes are just the same as these, except it'll say lens wipes right here where it says anti. It'll say lens right there. And so, but just look for the anti-fog because these will help with the fog. And also another tip I learned as well, you can use these on your phone, on your iPad. I don't know about your computer, but your phone, your iPad. So like, you know, if you have a phone, like an iPhone or a Samsung that you constantly touching a lot, you could use these to wipe with your phone, but do it while it's wet, because like it's only gonna, like when you open these, when you open it, it's gonna come already wet. So you don't have to wet it, you don't have to put it under water or anything. When you open one of these, it's already gonna come wet. So all you have to do is just open it and wipe your glasses or your phone or your phone. Now with your phone, you could wipe your phone screen, like if you touching your screen a lot, but just be careful when you're wiping around that camera, because you don't want to get your camera too wet because you don't want to mess up your camera. But yeah, you can wipe your phone with them, your iPad, your glasses. Yeah, those are the ones that I have in mind. But yeah, those are the ones that I have in mind, like I said, that you can use. Excuse me. But that is the anti-fog wipes, gentle cleaning with added fog protection. Like I said, if you want to get rid of those foggy glasses, I do recommend you getting these. If you have enjoyed this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and leave your comments down below.